how to add ranking keywords or viral tags in your YouTube videos. So hello guys, namaste everyone, welcome to the SR Tech, another new video. Welcome to my channel. So guys, video tags and keywords are one of the most important components of any YouTube video. They are very helpful to rank your YouTube videos and to get more views. Tags and keywords will help you to rank your videos in search suggestion. If anyone search in that keywords or tags, then they can easily find your YouTube content in their home screen. How to find viral tags or very best keywords, ranking keywords for your YouTube videos, this I'm gonna show you in my today's video. And after you find that keywords, then how can you also do keyword research in those tags, and what is the best website to find and get ranking keywords according to your video topic. All those information you're gonna know in this video in very easy process. Only 1 minute you can easily find and get best and ranking keywords according to your video topic. And if you want to do keyword research on those tags also, competition, how many people are searching these tags or keywords, how can you add them in your YouTube videos. So before we move to our video, if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like, and also press the notification bell icon, set it for all for my new latest videos updates. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. Okay, so friends, now you can see here my mobile screen in this side. So to find viral tags or ranking keywords for your any YouTube videos, so what you need to do is just open your web browser, any web browser you can open, and in this web browser you have to search one website, the very best website to find YouTube keywords or ranking tags for your any YouTube videos content. The best website is Rapid Tags. Yes guys, you have to search this Rapid Tags in this search bar, and after you search this Rapid Tags, then for this first number website Rapid Tags, or this website link is in my description or comment box also, so you can directly check out Rapid Tags. So just you have to open this Rapid Tags website. And after you go to this website, you can see the first number option, use tag generator. So just you have to click on this option, use tag generator. And after you click on this option, now you will see the search bar. So in this search bar, you have to search your YouTube video title or keyword, in which topic is your video related with. So for example, I search here how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. Okay, so suppose this is my keyword, how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. And after you search your keyword, then just click on this search bar, this search button, how to make thumbnail for YouTube videos. And after you just click on this search button, then you can see here all these ranking keywords and all these viral tags are listed here. So many tags. So these all tags are very ranking and people are searching this highly. So to copy these all tags, what you have to do, just go down and you will see one option, copy tags. So after you just click on this copy tags button, okay, copied, this whole tags will be copied. So after you copy this all tags, just you have to again go to search bar, and now you have to search www.youtube.com, YouTube official website. And after you click on three dots, now you will see the option of desktop site. So just enable this desktop site, and this whole interface will be changed into desktop, same like PC or laptop. Okay, so after you just enable desktop site, now again you have to click on this profile, your YouTube icon, and this is my channel, another channel, SR Tech Nepali. So after you open this channel, then again you have to click on your channel name, and after you open this channel in this desktop version, now you will see option customize channel. So just you have to click on this customize channel, then your YouTube studio will open in website version, desktop version. So after you go to YouTube studio in this website version, now just you have to zoom out here, and you will see one option, content, this second number option, content. So just you have to click on this content option, and after you click on this content tab, now I will select any my new video which I have uploaded just right now. Okay, so this first video I have uploaded one new video just to show you, for example, YouTube thumbnail tutorial, how to make thumbnail for your YouTube videos from mobile. So I will just open this video, and after you click on this, now here are lots of options. So you will see one option here, show more. So just you have to click on this tab, show more option, and after you click on show more, then a lot of options will be seen here. And after you scroll down, now you will see one option of tags. So in this tags button, just you have to click on add tag, add a new tag, and just you have to copy and paste those all tags. Long press and click on this paste button, just copy and paste. Okay, and just after you click on paste button, then you can see that all tags has been copied and pasted here in this tags section. So just only 1 minute work. After you click on this copy and paste button, then all tags are here. So these all are the ranking tags and ranking keywords. You can use it on your video. Then how to save it? Just after you copy paste, just you'll see one option here, save button. So now click on save. Okay, so this text has been saved into this video. So this is the easy process to find ranking keywords or viral tags for your YouTube videos, any YouTube topic. So now how can you do keyword research on these same tags? So if you don't know how to do keyword research, so for this you have to download one application, vidIQ or TubeBuddy. These are the very best application to do keyword research or tags, viral tags keyword research for your YouTube videos. Just you have to download one application, vidIQ. Go to your Play Store and search this vidIQ YouTube AI tools. So just you need to install this application to your mobile. So I just install it. So I skip this install all. So guys, you can see here this application has been downloaded to my mobile. So I just click on open. And when you first time open, you have to log in to your YouTube account from your Gmail ID or Google. So first I log in to my account. So guys, this is the interface of this application. After you log in and sign in to your YouTube account, just you have to click on this keywords button. Here are so many options. So you have to click on keywords because we want to do keyword research in our video topic. So in this search keywords, now you have to add that tag or keyword according to your YouTube video topic. My video topic is how to make thumbnail for YouTube videos. So guys, after you search your keyword, now you can see the result, search volume, competition. So in this topic, the competition is high and search volume also very better. Huge search volume in this keyword, but its competition is also high. So you have to find out those contents or those keywords in which competition is low or medium but search volume is high. So these are the some tips which you can follow to make your YouTube video or YouTube contents, and you may get some better views and better result. So another one keyword also I will search here, Taj Mahal blog. So suppose this is my another video topic. So again you can see here competition very high and search volume is also limited. So this is the way you can do keyword research or tag research from your mobile phone. Just you need to install this application from this application, vidIQ, or you can use TubeBuddy also. So this application and website link is in my description, so you can directly check out. So this was for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like. So for now, bye bye guys.